Good morning or afternoon from Amazing Thailand, and today we're going to go check out this pretty cool waterfall in Ubon Ratchathani province, and it's called the Pa Luang waterfall. So we're going to go check it out. This waterfall is approximately 120 kilometers from my home in Ubon, and so it was an easy ride over. And we're at midday, so it's nice and warm. Pa Luang Waterfall Forest Park. So far, nobody's asked me for any money, so that's kind of nice. And the park is open, whereas many public places are closed. So looking forward to seeing this waterfall. One thing I would recommend, if you do come here, bring a walking stick. This concrete is very, very slippery. Full of green moss. Way Mac. Climb continues. As you can see, nice and steep. Oh, we'll go that way after, but apparently the right side is, oh wow, there it is over there. Message from my friend Robert McLean, always makes short jokes. Says, watch out your head. Well, when you're 5'4", you don't even have to stoop over. Another advantage of being short. So not a very long walk, 5 minutes. How long? Very cool. Look at this waterfall. Really, really nice. And quite a spectacular view, actually. And we are in Eastern. Beautiful. Video. I will probably send this video to my friend Robert. Watch out for your head, Robert. And you won't believe this, but I'm actually going to have to stoop down in this one section. Very rarely happens for me. Look at this view. We're going to go check out this viewpoint, Mohing Viewpoint, and hopefully it's not too slippery. But as you can see, nice fine layer of moss. Well, the trail was really good until this point. So a little bit more technical. Definitely not wheelchair accessible. Only 700 meters to go. The noise that you're hearing, the hard breathing, just a soundtrack I put in. There's a waterfall over there. Really beautiful view up here. Last time I came in, I actually raided this temple. So, walk to this other viewpoint, which is beyond this temple. So I've got about good 2 clicks going back. I'm not sure what they put in here. Maybe people come up here to sleep, or maybe it's a Buddha house. I'm gonna head back down, and got myself a walking stick. Make it easier going down some of those slippery hills, especially near the bottom. Near the top it's fine, it's dry, but it's still steep in some sections. Anyways, get you to the bottom. So, back down successfully without any injuries. Thankfully for my walking stick, because there were some really steep sections in there. I have to be careful. So, like I said, come and check it out. Pa Luang Waterfall Forest Park. Beautiful.